Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will talk about the line weight. So it's the thickness and the thinness of the lines in our drawings or drawings in which we focus more on line quality. What beginners do is they don't use any line weight in their drawings. They simply draw with just simple single tone lines like I am doing here in this drawing. It's not gonna look good because it's not showing any sense of depth or light or the shadows. So how do we make it look appealing to the eye? Let me show you how. I will add darker or thicker lines where I need to show depth. I will not just add darks randomly but only where it's required. So for this girl, light is coming from the right side and it's clear that the things on the right side will be lighter and on the left side will be darker. So eyes are the focal point in any artwork or any picture, and to bring the focus on the eyes we need contrast. Okay, so this should be lighter here as it's a bit embossed, and here the iris circle and the pupil darker. Tear duct has some depth, so I'm gonna add a bit dark value here. Eyelid crease as well, and some weight here so the eye bag comes out. Let's make her lashes. Fill the iris, keeping the highlight white, and the lower lashes. You can see this makes more sense than the left eye. Alright, I'm gonna make her eyebrow. This is a line drawing, so I will try not to shade, just work with the lines. A little bit of weight here. I will extend the crease a bit. Okay, left eye now. Okay, the nose now. Nostrils will be darker. Lines on the left side of the nose will be darker as well. Here will be the highlight. I will mark it with very light line, and the wing on the right will be light. To the lips now. Start with the mouth opening line. It will be the darkest as it has the more depth. To bring out the lower lip, I will add some weight to its bottom. Okay, I will work on the face outlines now. On the right side, I will keep the lines light and soft, and the left side darker. I'll bring out the chin. Okay, shirt outlines will be darker here. I've added the weight on the both sides near the ears to take them back then the rest of the face. So as you can see now, the line weight can really change the look of our drawings and give it a contrasty look. So basically the line weight has three functions. Number one, it shows where the light is coming from. Number two, it defines the form of anything we draw. And number three, it creates contrast. All without shading, working only with lines, you can draw anything, just follow the light source and the form of the object. I'm gonna add more weight in the areas with more depth. I have a 4B pencil now and I will add more hair around the face. So guys, that will be all. I hope it was helpful. I will come up with new lesson next week and every week. Make sure you subscribe and like my video and let me know what I missed in the comment sections. Thank you.